This is the rear USB hub. I'm installing this in a 2026 Tesla Model Y. This one here is the two USB-C chargers here. They are retractable and it just has the air vents. And the button in the middle right here, this is just gonna lock it in. So you can see it's got the two USB ports right here that's gonna go in there. So let's just install it real quick. Just fits in here really nice and easy. Just basically put each side in here and it just like locks in. If you want to get it off, you're just going to push that button right there, but it just locks in nice and easy, and it just covers up the ear vent right here. Is a really nice design. And then these just come out here. I believe these are 36 inches and they are retractable. It's just a really nice addition for the back seat here. So this way, this is basically what we were using before, just these cords right here. So this is just gonna be a lot easier for the rear passengers just to charge their devices. But this is a seamless installation. Takes 10 seconds to install, and I highly recommend picking one of these up if you have a Tesla Model Y. Again, this is a 2026 Model Y installation here.